A week after a powerful earthquake hit Japan's west coast, thousands of people are still without water and electricity and have not been informed about when recovery plans might begin. The earthquake, which had a magnitude of 7.6, killed at least 168 people and left 323 missing. The delivery of aid has been hampered by sub-zero temperatures, heavy snow, and rain, leaving people with dwindling supplies and little information. Houses have been buried and access roads blocked by landslides, bold.